Okay, wait. Are you over 55? Are you nearing retirement? If you can say yes to that, then you need to start a YouTube channel right away. Join me in this journey. Okay, so I'm going to give you some reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel as soon as possible. Um, okay, you're nearing retirement. Is your retirement income going to be able to pay all the bills that you have right now? Is 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 that even a possibility? For me, it's not. I work full time. Um, I am in good health. I have a small side business. I am a small batch polymer clay earring artist, and I'm, I do pretty well with my online sales. I made the earrings that I have on right now, and if you're interested in purchasing, you can go to wendyvarnerdesigns.com, and I have a big selection there. But I know that I don't make any money in my small business unless I sell a pair of earrings. And I know that for me, that is not sustainable. Things come up. What if, I have arthritis that runs in my family? What if I get arthritis in my hands and I'm not able to produce what I'm able to produce right now? What if my eyesight gets to the point where I can't do some of the intricate detail? I have realized that I need to make a plan, and YouTube is a part of my retirement plan, and I feel like it should be part of your retirement plan too. Think about Social Security. What if they push out the age that you can retire? I mean, they've done it before. They can certainly do it again. What if they reduce the amount that you're eligible for? I don't know if they've done that before. I'm not like super versed on that, but they could do that, right? I mean, retirement for me is not going to be able to replace my full-time income. So I know I have to do something. And I've seen so many people on YouTube that are same age as me, even older, that are able to supplement their income. And I feel like if it's possible for them, it's possible for me, and it's also possible for you. Anybody can do this. You just have to, pick up your phone and just start recording. The point that I'm trying to make is that the future is so uncertain and there's so many things that you cannot control. Why not do your best to control what you can? You are wise. You have had experiences. You have lived life. And your experiences are unique to you. And a lot of people talk about needing a niche to be on YouTube. But honestly, you are your niche. Like you are, because you are unique. Your experiences are unique to you, and your perspective and opinion and advice and wisdom is unique to you. So you have a lot to offer your subscribers. Okay, so here's another reason why you should start a YouTube channel. Because you can record your videos anywhere. Right now, as you can see, I'm sitting in my car. I'm using my phone to record. I can record in my studio. I can record anywhere because my phone goes with me everywhere. You don't have to have fancy equipment. Like I said, you can record on your phone. You can do your editing on your phone, and you can upload to YouTube right on your phone. Okay, here's another reason. Because it will fulfill a dream of yours. I know for me, I rely on YouTube to teach me so many things. Like, I don't even know how I would have managed all these years if it had not been for YouTube, right? And who of us hasn't said, "Oh man, um, I wish I could do YouTube for, but I can't for name a reason, like any kind of reason." But you wish you could do it, so why not do it and fulfill a dream? I mean, it may not work out for you, but it may. And if it does, or when it does, it's going to be amazing. And you will have no regrets. And you'll be able to look back and be so proud of yourself that you got past your fear and just did it. You won't have any regrets that you didn't try. Okay, so here's the wrap up. There's power in just being you. There's nothing new under the sun except your perspective, which no one else has. It is unique to you. And you don't have to show up to perfection. Do not overthink it. I'm here to help you. If you already have a YouTube channel, comment below and let me know how it's going for you. If you don't have a channel yet, comment below and let me know what's holding you back. I'd really like to help. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until the next video, bye. Okay, wait. The intricate. So you don't have to have a fancy, but you've wished you have. Okay, so here's the wrap up.